Hi guys, quick video once again from me. So this is a sinus relief kit that I bought from Boots. That's if you're in the UK, and I'm really sure you can get these from most of the big supermarkets. It's a product from NeilMed, and it's all sort of natural, as you can see on the box. So it's like a home remedy type of thing, as you've got all your stuff in it to premix and wash up all your airwaves. Basically, I've been having these problems with sinus once in a while. I'd say I wouldn't want to use my situation for everybody, but then sometimes you feel as if you've got some sort of foul smell that comes. You can feel it from deep within your head, but it's actually all bacteria in your airwaves. You can feel it if you squeeze your nose, and I've been searching around trying to find a quick cure, but then this relief kit just does the job for me. If it stays longer, I would advise that you would visit your doctor. But then if you really want a quick relief and you're someone that travels a lot, you can get this to help with an instant relief before probably taking extra medication later if you want to. So I'll open it up and let's see what's in the box. As the box opened up, you can see it's got a wee manual documentation book that you can read. We also have that bottle right there that's used for measurement, because you need to get yourself lukewarm water, and you can make your measurement, because on the other box you have in your saline, that's 60 pack, I mean, in that box. So you need to tear it up and pour it in the bottle, mixed up with the right quantity, obviously, and then you just shake it a little bit. Just make sure it's not too hot. As you can see from here, the documentation says so, and it's also on the box. Use warm solution, simple as that. Don't do anything more to hurt yourself. So you mix that up, and obviously you need to go to the bathroom or anywhere you've got a sink or whatever you want to do it anyway outside, because you're going to push this from one side of your nose, still breathing normal, or probably you can cease breathing, but then once you push it from one nostril, the water should come out from the other nostril. And once it does that, you will feel the difference, and you need to do it on the other side so that the water comes out from the other nostril. And until that water finishes up in the box, that wouldn't be much water filled up if you follow the recommendation once you buy it. So I'll just open the box again, the bottle again, and we see how that works. You can see I've just opened up the box, so you can see all the sachet, and in it we've got saline, and you open it up, put it in the bottle, and get your measurement. Yeah, you've got it here. I usually just go for that, the first one. So you put your lukewarm water. I think just one will do, but then I'm not gonna go into details. You've got all the documentation in here if you want to read based on your scenario or whatever is happening to you. So once you fill it up, you just shake it out a little bit. You put this back in the bottle, like that, and you close it. You've got a hole in here, so you can see it's a hole. There's a hole in here. Try as much not to make this dirty, because that's going through your nose. I mean, like, water is passing through to go through your nose, so just make sure you don't dirty that up. So there you have it. So once you finish with what I just showed you, you put this one back in, you close it, and you go over to your whatever you want to do it. Stuck this up in one part of your nose, bend down your head and press it just a little bit, gently, just press it. Once you press it, you realize the water pumps up and comes out of the other side of your nostril, and all the water drips out. Once you feel it's enough, you tap it over to the other side of your nose. Don't block it, just pretend as if you were breathing normal. Press it again, and the water is just going to come out of the other side of your nose. So it's something like this. Yeah, as you can see here. Really simple to do. I don't need to fill this up and do all that, but there's enough documentation in here. So see, there's a lot of information in here. And once, like for my situation, what I realize is once I do that, I can just feel the instant sensation, or should I say reaction. You can feel it right in your nostrils, as if you just took some sort of Vicks vapor rub. And the sensation is quite strong. That just tells you it's working. You know, you do it two, 3 times a day or whatever the documentation says. I mean, like I said, just read it, know your situation, read it, apply it as required, and it should do the magic for you. Yeah, it should do the magic for you. I'm just looking for one. Yeah, let's see. That's all you need to do, all over the sink. Yep. It's pretty simple. Please try it. Obviously, there would be other alternatives to this. If you don't get it based on wherever you're watching me from, but there should be alternate versions of this kit by probably maybe other companies, but then I'm just saying this for those based in the UK. Thanks very much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you did enjoy it, and share it to friends. Thank you.